Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I have something very special and something that I don't normally buy to unbox, so let's get right into it. This video is actually coming out a video later than it was scheduled to because of the significance of what I bought. You'll probably already know from the title of the video in the thumbnail. Here, let's see, is that enough to rip this open? Let me go to this side now here. There we go. Let's pull this out. Yes, I've bought an MTH locomotive. So, now, let's get our brand new engine on out. Think you can kind of see here? So, get this open. And here it is. It's Union Pacific 1111. So, let's get it out of this box if I can figure out how to. I think I'm gonna try and pull it out like this. Let's move some of this stuff. I've never opened or ever owned an MTH engine before, so it's screwed onto here. So yeah, we're gonna use... I've got to get a screwdriver so we can unscrew this engine. So let me grab one of those quickly. So the engine is out of the package and I think it looks really good. So let me just give you a spin around of it on this power lock track that I got for free recently, if you remember. I'm just using this for display for right now. Here. Getting in the way a little bit. And with that little spin out of the way, let me go into some of the details that I really like about this. So right here, I'm going to start with the front. Some of these things would probably just be standard to all of you guys, but some of these I particularly like. Like, if you can see the ditch lights, they actually work. That's something I really like. I really like all the grab irons. They did a really good job on the front here, especially with the coupler. I also really like the windshield wipers and the cab interior here, as well as the frames around the windows. I think it looks really good. I also really like how all the vents are see-through. I just think it adds a lot more to the engine. Let me go to the back. So, the back I also really I just like it in general. It looks really good. There's not much special. This may be a little special. The other side's the same as the other. I think the trucks seem a little bland, but that just might be how the real thing is, so. Let me just show you what else I like. These fans are actually fans in here that spin, and the exhaust actually goes down somewhere. So this engine has some really good detail. I really like it. Let's go give it some runtime on the track. Alright, so we got 1111 all set up on the track. I was breaking it in a little bit with this train here, and it did seem to run a bit well, so let's see how well it runs on its own. Let's give it a little power. And there it goes. It does seem to be just a little bit noisy, but it doesn't have any noise when going with a freight train. Let's stop it before it crashes. And here it is in reverse. It does seem to sound a little bit better in reverse. It probably just needs fresh oil because it's probably been sitting for quite some time. But yeah, it's a great train. So, let's hook it up to its cars. And then let's get some shots of it going around the layout. So, here we go.